Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Forte Fairy Wand Portable Fan. This is a very small portable fan from Forte. This is a micro USB powered portable fan. A lot of specifications on this box. For instance, power consumption is 4 watt, battery capacity is 1500 mAh, weight is 118 grams, it's very light, and it's made out of ABS and PP plastic material. The color of this particular portable fan is pink, as it's denoted right over here, as there you can see. Now I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. This is it. These are all the components of this particular box. Firstly, we have a instruction manual from Forte. This is the instruction manual for the Fairy base. It has all the information you need, like what you need, like how you need to start this, etc., etc. And you should read it at least once. I'm going to keep this right over here. This is the base on which this fan is supposed to stand on, like so. I will show you how it's done in a while. So this is the micro USB cable that you use to charge this particular fan. This is a strap or a lanyard that you use for carrying it around. This is a nice addition. And finally, you have the fan itself. So yeah, this is what the fan looks like. It's a very tiny compact fan. These are basically dual fans. You will notice there are two fans inside. And this is the switch, so when I press it, it starts working. There are 3 speed settings, so this is 1, this is 2, and this is the third one. They're not very loud. The third one is obviously very fast, so has a little bit of sound, but overall it's pretty, not very noisy. There is a micro USB charging port over here as well, there you can see. And finally we have the stand. The stand is for, if you are going to use it on a desktop. So the purpose of the stand is to, use it as a receptacle for this particular fan and then use it like so. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Forte Fairy Wind Portable Fan. Thank you for watching.